This is a quick video on how to perform an oil change in a 2015 Hyundai Tucson. So you're going to need some oil, a funnel, a 17mm socket or wrench, your oil filter pliers. This is an OEM filter. You'll also need a drain pan and a set of ramps. The first thing you have to do is unscrew the oil fill cap. Now go underneath the vehicle and look for the panel that the oil filter is behind. It's right here. I just pull on the tabs and they drops out, and that's the oil filter. Now hopefully it'll come out by hand, but if not you can use your oil filter pliers, but this one did. So let the oil drain out. Meanwhile, I'm going to lube up the new oil filter O-ring. Then you will want to reinstall your oil filter. After that, we're going to reinstall the panel that protects the oil filter. Then behind that, you're going to locate the oil drain plug. Mine was pretty tight, but it came out no problem. Then you're going to let the oil drain out. Don't forget to replace your crush washer. Then I'm using 5.3 quarts to top the engine off. Once that's done, replace the oil fill cap and you're done. Thanks for watching.